Hello everybody, this is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello my friends. Today I am doing a review. It was requested by Cool Dude, who has been watching me for a very long time. And also Mo. Mo is my girl. She really supports me. So it's between the blue Oxydol, this soap, and the yellow. We're going to see which one works the best, okay, or whether they work the same. So I'm going to start. Let me put these back because I'm going to do one at a time. I got a lot of dirty dishes here. Let me put the camera where you can see. Let's see. Okay, let me get my gloves. I'm going to put the water on. I'm going to start with the blue one. So as I go along, I will empty this and finish it with the yellow one. And now you can see that is, if you can see, I hope you can see. The suds are decent. It's a little thin, but it's not that bad. You see there? It's not that bad. Maybe I should rinse it that way. Easier for you to see. Let me do it that way. Hope you guys enjoyed the Sunday. I had leftovers for today. Turkey wings, mac and cheese, and I had some spring beans. Yeah, this works okay. The suds are not that great, but the dishes are getting clean. Okay, I'm going to rinse these, and then I'm going to change over to that yellow dish soap. trying this one now. Now, you see it looks like it's more suds with the yellow one. So as I wash, I'm going to see whether this one is better than the blue one. So I don't have that many dishes left. The suds are lasting longer in this one. But I still think it's just about the same. So let me finish these up. Okay, the suds stayed longer with the lemon one. I'm going to say they're just about the same. But the lemon is slightly better than the blue. But I like them both. But yeah, it was more suds with the lemon. So I'm glad that you requested this, Cool Dude and Mo, because I was just going to use them. But yeah, it's good to know how these products really work, you know. It really is. So y'all have a wonderful night, okay? More videos to come. And if you can think of something else that I have that you want to see a comparison between the two, let me know, okay? Y'all have a wonderful night. Bye.